Hello everybody, I'm a questionable guy and today I'm going to be unboxing, reviewing, and installing the Spotify card thing. But before I get to that, it would mean the whole world to me if you guys could leave a like, comment, subscribe because I'm going to be posting videos similar to this one. Now, let's get to it. Feel free to pause the video if you need to read anything on this box. Now, if you would like to purchase this product, you'd have to put yourself on a waiting list and then Spotify will contact you asking you if you want to purchase this product. For me, I think it was about $86.56, which isn't really that much of a bad price considering what you get. This isn't a standalone product. You will need an iPhone, mobile connection, and a Spotify premium subscription. So that might deter you. You might not want to buy it. You might want to buy it, but let's see what's inside the box. So on the very top, you're gonna have the actual Spotify card thing. Pretty lightweight, not bad. Comes with a little screen protector you could peel off. Your knob, which you can use to switch music. You can click on music, or you could use the touchscreen. You don't like any of that. You could also have your little back button right here. So it's pretty nice. Doesn't feel that bad. This feels really nice quality. Yeah, it feels nice to the touch. The button feels very, sturdy. Here's the little Spotify logo on there. Check what else is in the box. All right. Neat car thing. Looks like this is just more of like a tutorial. It shows you like how it works, how to operate this. So make sure to pause the video if you want to read all this. That's one of the things. Oh, there's all the commands. It's pretty cool. How to use presets. So yeah, this preset is for whenever you want to quickly go into an album, a podcast. You don't really want to say, "Hey Spotify." You can just press one of the buttons. You can, preset maybe a podcast on this one, an album on this one, and whichever one you want to listen to on the road. Just press one of these buttons. Which, to whatever you need. So, pretty cool. Voice control, home, browse, now playing. Nice. This card shows you how to set it up. So here's your little adapter, your port, a QR code. These are the instructions if you're using a CD mount. Here's the dash mount. And a vent mount. Some more information. Go. Fix this up real quick. All right. So here, nice plastic. It doesn't feel like you can really break it or bend it too much. Pretty sturdy. Nice little rubber right here. Like I said, won't mess up your, in case you're scared that it messes up your little CD thing. Okay. Put that right here. This thing that's already included comes with two little inserts. Here's your vent clip. Comes with nice plastic. This is made out of rubber, so it won't mess up your air vents, which is pretty good. Here's your dash mount. That adhesive on there. Here's your little, I call it a magnetic puck. Should have done my research, but this will connect to the back of this, and then this goes on to one of these. Oops, sorry. So anyways, you can hook this up to this thing, this one, or this one. I'm going to have to decide where I would like to put mine on, but we'll set that up later. And on here, this little cable that will connect, to this, and this, connect right there. There you go. And you have a little cleaning cloth and these little nubs. So, well, this looks horrible, but this is everything that comes inside of the Spotify car thing. As I mentioned before, this does run on Spotify Premium, which I think I normally pay for $14 a month for a Duo account. I think if you pay like a regular account, it might be like $11 or $12, but it does require that account and it does require iPhone. Well, now that we have everything ready, I think I'm going to install it for the CD and the air vent. So let's get to it. Now, for this example, I'm going to be plugging it up to the CD mount. So we're going to press this button in and release it when we're ready for it to snap on. So we'll hold this button, slide that in there, release. Now it's nicely on there. Grab our cable included in the box and this thing. And we'll just put this to the side. Grab this part and we'll install it to the back of our car thing. So make sure it snaps on there. Now we're going to put this little port. Then we're going to grab this, bend it on one side, insert it, bend it on the other side, insert it. Now we're going to add this thing. Now that it's powered on, we're going to get started. Now we're going to scan this QR code, open up Spotify. Now this shows up. We're going to set it up. Again, setup. We're going to open our iPhone settings and tap on Bluetooth, choose Spotify car thing, and when it appears, we're going to click on it, and there should be a code pops up, and there'll be a code that pops up here. So get to that. So I'm going to settings, go to Bluetooth. So then car thing shows up. Click on it. The numbers are going to show up here. You press pair. So the numbers show up on my phone. You press pair. Now we're connected. You press next. I normally connect to my car using Bluetooth. Press next. You'll hear a sound coming from the speaker here. Pause the music. You'll hear that sound. We can hear it through our speakers, so I'll put I hear it. And now we're connected. I connected it to the CD mount. Gives us a demonstration on how to do it. Exactly what we did. Turn this off. Take our little tour. It's gonna give us a
using your voice to get to
lengthy
music and podcasts is easy. Let's do a little practice.
It's gonna give us a lengthy tutorial. We could just skip all that.
Okay, we'll skip the rest of the tour. Enjoy car thing, and have a great drive.
And there you go. Now we can, press play. We can tell Spotify car thing to do things for us, such as this. Hey Spotify, like this song. And they'll leave a like on this song. Go back, pressing this button. You can scroll using this knob and press using this knob. Or back and use screen, which is decently responsive. Go back. Now I'm going to tell you guys exactly what I think about this product. The Spotify car thing is a great device if you don't already have CarPlay or Android Auto in your car. $80 to me is better than spending $200 or more for an upgraded car stereo system that has those functions. This device is great for all passengers as they can control music while you drive, whether they're in the front seat or the back seat. I can see this being very helpful to Lyft or Uber drivers especially, or if you don't want to give your girlfriend or wife your unlocked phone for even just a few seconds. I have found that the car thing is most helpful when I'm using navigation on my phone and using the car thing to control all of my music. Although I do love my Spotify car thing, I can acknowledge that there might be some downsides to it. One of them being that you do have to have a monthly subscription active, which is $10 a month. That might not be worth it for some. You do have to have your phone with you at all times and have good connection. If you lose connection, the music will cut off. So to combat this, I'd suggest you guys offload your music. Something I don't like about the Spotify car thing is that sometimes the voice recognition messes up with your commands, which is something I really hope that they change later on. If you have a good car stereo system with Android or CarPlay, then there's honestly no point of buying car thing unless you want an extra piece of technology to flex on people, get your car broken into, or you just want to obtain Spotify's hardware product because you're a dirty little whore, like myself. If you like the Spotify car thing but don't like the $80 price tag, a cheaper alternative is to just use your phone and drive. I'm joking. But in all seriousness, you could just buy a phone mount for your car and open up any music app of your choice and then use the voice commands from there, like Siri. Overall though, I personally love this product and I strongly recommend it. But anyways guys, make sure to like, subscribe, and make sure to comment what you guys think about the Spotify car thing and let me know how I can improve for future videos. Make sure to follow my Instagram as I will keep you guys updated over there. Other than that guys, that's been it. Peace.